Vivienne Westwood, Fred Perry, Hamleys, Harvey Nichols, Dyson, Bisto Gravy, Costa Coffee, First Great Western, Innocent Drinks, Campbell Cooper, Pimms, Choo Ltd, Holland Cooper, Yellow Pages, Cath Kidston, the National Lottery, Hunter's Wellington Boots, Jack Wills, Reebok, Mr. Stanley's Confectionary, Barbour, Kenco, Jaguar, Golden Wonder, Yorkshire Tea, Morrison's, Twinings, Tesco Stores Ltd, James Smith Umbrellas, Marmite, British Airways, Harrods, Cadbury, British Gas, National Trust, English Tea Store, Gordon's Gin, Burberry, Royal Mail, Mini, British Broadcasting Corporation, Land Rover, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, Aston Martin.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.